How to add external link in Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily add external link on your Instagram bio. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Then here tap on edit profile. And then here tap on add link. And then here tap on add external link. Now paste the link here. So let me copy a link and paste it there. So I have copied that link. So paste the link here in URL section. And then if you want, you can write a title for the link. Then tap on check here in top right corner. Then go back and again tap on check here in top right corner. And here will be the external link in your bio. And so this is how you can add external link in your Instagram bio. Thanks for watching.